Hello students, I am Chalma Reddy. Welcome to CR Maths class. Previous class we are completed concept of consistent and inconsistent system of non-homogeneous as well as homogeneous also. Now this is a level 1 67th question. Observe this question. We need to write argument matrix. So how to write argument matrix, students? Augmented matrix. That is AD. AD is equal to, first write the A matrix, that means coefficient matrix. See the first equation, X coefficient is 2, Y coefficient is 6, Z coefficient is not there, that means we can write 0. Observe the second equation, X coefficient is 0, Y coefficient is 6, Z coefficient is minus 8. Observe the third equation, 6, 20, minus 6. These are the coefficient matrix. Now write the constant matrix. Here plus 11 is there. Send to right hand side. Then you will get 2x plus 6y, that is equal to minus 11. 6y minus 18z, that is equal to minus 1. 6x plus 20y minus 6z, that is equal to minus 3. Now students observe the constant matrix minus 11, minus 1, minus 3. Okay, here our aim is these elements we want to make them 0. These are below the principal diagonal elements. Already one of the element is 0. Okay, no problem. Now I am going to make the 0 6 element by using R1 operation. Here 2 is there, here 6 is. How we get 0? Multiply with 3 and then both subtract. Then only we get. Yes or no? So right here operation like this. R3. R3 minus 2 into R1. 2 into or 3 into? 3 into R1. How to calculate this? First write the R3. 6, 20, minus 6, minus 3. And R1 row multiply with 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 6 are 18, 0, minus 33. Now both we can subtract. Minus, 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 minus into minus plus. This is 0, this is 2, minus 6, plus 30, plus 30. So now we can write here 260 minus 11, 0 6 minus 18 minus 1. Now in third row is going to change. That is 0, 2, minus 6, 30. Okay. Now I am going to make them 0, this element by using R2 row. Don't use R1. If you are use R1 in place of 0, again you will get number. That is the reason. Okay. Now how to do that? R3 row. Here 2 is there. Multiply with 3. 3 R3 minus R2. Then 2 is going to 0. Here see, I am going to do the calculation. First we can write R3 row multiply with 3. Multiply 3 into 0, 0. 3 2s are 6. 3 6 are 18, 3 3s are 19. Next R2, 0, 6 minus 18 minus 1. Now both we can subtract, minus minus into minus plus. This is also plus. 0 0, here also 0. Here we get 91. These changes do in R3 row only. R3 row only. That is equal to 2 6 0 minus 11, 0 6 minus 18 minus 1. Next third row, 0 0 0 91. Here we need to find rank of A and rank of AD. Observe that rank of A. Close this element. Observe the coefficient matrix. Number of non-zero rows. How many are there? These two rows are non-zero rows. Then we will say that rank of A, that is equal to 2. Two non-zero rows now. Now we need to find rank of AD. How to find rank of AD? This is 3 by 4 matrix. 3 by 4 matrix. Take submatrix, any one of the row, eliminate. Any one of the row or column, you can delete. So don't delete the first and last column. Don't delete the first and last column. You can delete middle two, anyone. Which one? I am going to delete 660. I am going to delete. So remaining I am writing 0 minus 18 0. Expand the determinant. Expand the determinant. Then what we get? 2 into minus 18 into 91. Minus 18 into 91. Minus 0. Okay, this is 0. Minus 11 into 0 minus 0. Overall, observe that it is not equal to 0 or not. Not equal to 0 or what is the value we don't want. It is equal to 0 or not equal to 0. That is the important. So if it is not equal to 0 means rank of AD. Rank of AD. We can say that 3. Now observe here, rank of A is not equal to rank of AD. Both the ranks are not equal. Then we will say that the system is inconsistent and no solution. The system is inconsistent and no solution. No solution. Okay, students, which option correct? See, first option is consistent. Second option has unique solution. Unique solution means it is consistent only. Third option, inconsistent. This is the correct answer. Fourth option cannot be determined. This is the wrong answer. The correct answer is third option. 68th question. The value of A for which the equations fail to have unique solution. Unique solution means what is shortcut formula? Det A not equal to 0. This is unique solution. Unique solution given means this is the shortcut formula. But what they are given? Those equations are fail to have unique solution. Fail to have unique solution means those are either infinite many solutions or no solution. So what is the shortcut formula finally? Det A is equal to 0. Det A is equal to 0. This is the formula. Okay. Now write the coefficient matrix. 3 minus 1 A. Second equation 2 1 1. Third equation 1 2 minus A, that is equal to 0. Expand the determinant, then you will get the answer. Okay. So you know that already, symbols plus, minus, plus. Expand students, 3 into 1 into minus A, 2 into 1, 2 is minus 2, minus of minus, plus 1 into minus 2A minus 1 plus A into 4 minus 1 is equal to 0. Calculate this, you will get answer. Minus 3A minus 6 minus 2A minus 1 plus 4A. 4 minus 1, 3. So here we get 3A or not? This is 3A is equal to 0. 3A minus 3A cancel. Minus 6 minus 1 minus 7, that is equal to 2A. Finally, what is A value, students? Minus 7 by 2. This is the answer. Which option correct? They're asking value of A. A value they are asking. So correct answer is what? Second option. 69th question. The system of equations has infinite number of solutions. Infinite number of solution means, what is shortcut formula? Det A is equal to 0. Either no solution or infinite many solutions. This is shortcut formula. Now here we need to find A value. Same previous problem how we are done, same like that. Okay. Now first write the coefficient matrix. 3 2 1. 3 4 3. Next. And here one more problem. Where is the A? Where is the A? In constant matrix. So that's why here we need to write augmented matrix. It is not applicable here because A is there in constant matrix. There is a problem. So augmented matrix AD, that is equal to, this is a matrix 3 2 1 3 4 3 6 10 8, and the constant matrix right here 6 14, and this is A. This is A. Now we need to make them 0, these two elements first, by using R1 operation. See here, R2 minus R1, and R3 minus 2R1. So I am going to write directly 3 2 1 6. Do that. R2 minus R1. 3 minus 3 0. 4 minus 2 2. 3 minus 1 2. 14 minus 6 8. R3 minus 2R. First write here R3 6 10 8 8. 2R1. R1 row multiply with 2. This is 12. Now subtract both, 0 6, 12 minus, sorry, a minus 12. Okay, here we'll get 0, 6, 6, a minus 12. Next, do that one more operation here. R3 minus 3R2. Don't use R1. Again, you will get the number. So 3, 2, 1, 6, 0, 2, 2, 8. R3 minus 3R2. Here 0 will come. Here also 0 will come. Here also 0 will come. But here a minus 12 minus 3R2. 3 into 18. 24. This is total a minus 36. Here we get a minus 36. This is. But observe the coefficient matrix. Third row completely 0. So finally what I am saying here, rank of A, that is equal to rank of AD. Both the ranks are equal to 2, that is less than 3. Rank of AD, when it's possible 2 means A minus 36 is equal to 0 means. A minus 36 is equal to 0 means then only rank of AD is possible to get 2. Okay. So A minus 36 is equal to 0. A is equal to how much? 36. When this condition satisfied, the system of equations has infinite many solution means. Okay. So correct answer is what? 36. Which option correct? Fourth option.